Hello friends, this is Mexico's muscle car. Here we have a 1974 Mexican Spec Ford Maverick. Under the hood is a Mexican 302 V8 linked to a 4-speed manual transmission. The car appears to have a Comet hood and grille. I'm not sure if that came on this car from the Mexican factory though. A hood scoop is in place. Your old school Cragar wheels are here. Love them or hate them. I like Mexican 500s on these Mavericks. The car is equipped with front disc brakes with rear drums. You do have power steering here, so that helps. If this was a US Spec car, the color would be called Pastel Lime. I'm sure it is something similar in Spanish. Where this car lives, rust is not an issue, so this 51-year-old car is intact as it came from the factory. As a side note, the Maverick was never sold in Mexico with an inline 6-cylinder engine. The first 3 years of the Maverick in Mexico, it came with a 289 V8, and after that, it got the Mexican 302. The 4-speed is the fun part of this car. If this was a 1973 Mustang with this drivetrain, the price would be double or triple. If you would like to see more of this car, please send me a message and I will get those shots for you. If you have any questions about the importation process, I will be happy to answer them. We can now offer US delivery. What this means is we can deliver the car to you on the Arizona side of the border or deliver it to the transport company of your choosing. I know the thought of buying from Mexico makes people nervous. For that, I can provide references from my previous clients if needed. You can see more Mexican vehicles at mexicanspec.com. Please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, then do the rest. Have a great day.